It's our last day here in Brighton, so...
Are you doing a poo-poo in the toilet? Are you having a nice holiday? But I was like, oh, you're shouting. Ole tsako wo, ole kaso wo. Opo, may kain. Siya may lang pensi suyay. Oh, mi fare tato like ngale. Morning, guys. Good morning. I feel like I don't even know how to vlog anymore. I have not really been vlogging that much. Only because it's always me that has to vlog. Ossie's been driving. And it's just been busy. Having the kids like is something else. Honestly, they have been so annoying. But hold on, you guys are smudgy. What do you reckon, Ossie? I'm about to get changed and go down to the pool.
It's our last day here in Brighton, so we're gonna go different place. But so yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym downstairs. After the gym, maybe go straight to breakfast and then back all our stuff today and ready for another hotel.
Guys, this view is so beautiful. Honestly, guys, it's just so beautiful. The breeze and just everything is just so amazing. I just wish the sun came out. I'm gonna get changed into my swimmers, guys, and I'm gonna use their pool one last time before breakfast. Just got back from the pool, had a shower. We're gonna go down for breakfast soon. Ossie's laxing it over here. Ew, look at your face. Why's your face like that? It's like... Guys, you see, it looks like he's doing a shite. Looks like he's doing a kittle in the toilet. Are you doing a poo-poo in the toilet? Okay, so but I'm just trying to edit this vlog, guys. I'm just off my game. I don't know how to do this stuff anymore. So my sisters have the worst neighbors in 8:30. They make so much noise.
Oh, are you coming in?
No, I'm going down. Hurry up, just come down.
We're just having the breakfast now, guys. We're just having the breakfast now. Yeah, last breakfast here.
Guys, we have just finished breakfast. I still sound like, what the hell? It's raining, guys. This is the worst weather ever. So poo. So freaking... Molly, how's your holiday? Evan? Evan?
Evan, are you cold? What's wrong with you then? Why are you stiff like that? Can I have my phone back now?
Evan? Evan, are you having a nice holiday? Ready to go back home now while I go to Newcastle? Hey, Ossie boy. You're not coming to Newcastle. You know why? Because you've been a nuisance.
Newcastle and tomorrow.
No, Evan had my phone.
Bye, Evan.
I just got my phone off.
See you back at Canberra while I go to Newcastle. So my mum was like, oh, when we get paid, we'll shout dinner. And my dad was like, oh. And I was like, oh, you're shouting.
Mom, ai nói qua English là seafood.
Eh, le kako yo le seafood la shout tayo.
Eh, Olivia, oh yeah, look plain.
Eddie, where did you get that from? You miss Mummy? You want to call Mummy? If we go to another holiday, okay? Or you just tell Mummy that we go on another holiday and see you soon, Mummy. Okay? Guys, we just checked out of our hotel. Going to another hotel, Manga. Yale life le peanga fa ye. Umima.
See your life.
But you know, after this, back to work. It was such a nice day. It would have been so much better if the weather was nice, because we're literally right next to the beach and we could have just walked over, like literally. But it's alright. We're going to Newcastle now, and this is our first time ever staying in Newcastle for like a holiday. But we've been to Newcastle before, but the first time for a holiday. Find me the closest toilet. Guys, we're having a little break. We're in Wyong.
In where?
Wyong. It's a good old trip, isn't it? What's wrong for you? Wearing my shorts? Like they're yours? Better come back, you fat belly.
They will.
They better not come back smelling like minge.
Why was the mama guy over here?
Don't even. Don't even.
Well, why is some guy right there?
They were brand new, so don't even. Okay?
I had a fun trip.
It's 50 k's away. It's 50 k's away. And it's still safe.
I wanted to sink in the pool
Okay.
so I could sink and then jump back up.
Okay, don't fall. Eddie! Yeah?
I wanna go to the pool so much because I can swim. I'm going on the
Cream on? Hey, did you put the cream
the
in?
airplane next year.
You can't have any more, that's enough.
Hey!
Enough. So we're here at, well, I don't know where the hell we're here.
We're here at Wyong. Hold on, Eddie. Eddie, hold on. Hold on tight. I'm gonna stand up.
And I just wanted to ask y'all, why the hell I'm so damn beautiful? Alright. Keep looking cute. Keep looking cute. Keep looking cute, cause you are mute.
You guys wasting my Maltesers.
Ai, lei fa mai sia che ano cavallo.
No, give him one.
Ne asiosi.
Give them one back.
Moi.
Why do you want to file like your mom?
Oi, alla mai. Samoy alla mai. You get your Maxima.
What's the maximum?
The Maxima is your long.
I think that's
It's your
Yeah, Vicky. It's your long. It's supposed to be your long on your head, huh? Don't be chicken. What? Do you want to fall in the bum?
Kalau fai ngai homeless. Kalau fai ngai homeless. Mom, take a photo.
Yeah.
3, 2. Ole taco whoop, ole katso whoop. Mum thinks I'm being serious. Ole Sacco Walk, Ole Katso Walk.
Sao ai chết mà ở chỗ trên là tội mà. Bởi sao các bà máu chết mà ở chỗ bà máu chết nào cả ăn mua. Mà có ai đây? Là bố.
Tôi sao cái này ra sao quay luôn.
Kakko Walk, Ole Katso Walk, Ole Sacco Walk. That's good juice, isn't it?
Mandarin, apple, pineapple, lemon, lime, and passion fruit.
It's busy. It's really busy over here, guys. It's chock-a-block. Mickey, some more boy, oi. Oh my gosh, my shoe. My shoe. Yeah. What for bear oi nga. Kay wa mafuswa yung may nga.
Alam ba pensé pa ko lumay pa nga nga ari ito.
Nah, it's alright. I'm good here. Yeah. What ule kafia, ule Holy Spirit. Yeah, look at trusting Ale Lord le. Guys, it's been a bit of a adventure today, but today this is my mum and dad's room. My room and Ossie's room and my mum and dad's room, literally interconnecting. This is their view. So beautiful. Oh, eat the own color. Go.
I'm a muffin for
Yeah. Honestly, look at that view. So beautiful. People are just like paragliding, parasailing. It's just amazing.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been, tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Hey, fly. So what if you
Oh my gosh, Dad is literally standing where the rocks are like hitting him.
Let's go, Mum, and tell Dad to move back.
She's moving back, but Dad's standing right there. Look at Dad. Oh, well, at least I'm getting him on camera. Alright, Daddy-o, you know what you're doing there.
Good morning, guys. I am so sorry. It's been really choppy and changey just because we're just having too much fun. I honestly can't be bothered to pick up the camera these days. But today we're going quad bike riding, sand dooning on the sands. Nelson Bay, I think it's called. So
we're ready.
I've washed my hair like 3 times in 1 week and my hair is itching me. It's so bad.
We're gonna go ride a bike on sand, and then maybe we come back. We're going fishing yesterday. We got fish yesterday, but maybe got more today.
Yeah.
Before we go back to camp.
Guys, I have to wear Aussie's shoes because I didn't bring my sports shoes. We're about to go quad bike riding. Like, let me show you where this actually ends. And this is where my toes are. Hopefully this is not a hazard in itself, but got some sun cream here, my sunnies. Let's go. I always get nervous doing this. This is like my 3rd time going. And honestly, I still get nervous. I think it's more because, you know, my dad. I'm nervous for him. Okay.
The track is super bumpy today, so hang out under the seat.
Alright.
When we go over side 3 months, that's your head on the glass.
Okay.
Alright, so that's much. Trying to avoid those bumps.
Så man spurgte lige mig min uke. Og har det med dig 5 år, ja?
Yeah, something along
Watch your heads on the way.
Ja, der var låg.
Oh.
Don't hang on to the door, just take it away.
Men okay, gav fint og fik godt.
Watch the vehicle go this way.
Var låg nu der?
Sit on your bottoms good, go for it. Normally go. Big jump. Open that up like that, like that.
Are you ready? Do you have my glasses, Aussie? Don't put it in. We're going to put it in after we put the helmets on.
Put your mask there.
Aber ist er noch mask dann? Alles Mann. Guys, we're about to go now. Dad! Aber er soll auch lieber mal eine break. I would give all a break. I would give all a break.
here next to the beach. It's beautiful, guys. See it? Everyone's come camping here. This way. Sea everywhere. Mountains. We at Nelson Bay, y'all. Check it out. Yo, Ife? Alpaca. Wow, this looks fake, eh? Dang, look at those yachts. Look at those boats. Look at those yachts. Yeah, that's true, because all I will break the wall. Yeah, but I go in there, makamaka yay. I had going there. Where's Eddie? Oh. Where's the park? It's too far. Huh?
The same thing what Nanny said.
I think it is. Not the sand dunes. Ol merang ko yan, the sand dunes.
Sand ako, ano may kukum. Mamaw kukum.
Ah. Yeah?
Kira ko sa kofar naman ko eh. Kaya ako rin.
Guys, I actually did bring you. I brought the camera. Oh, it's just gonna be so annoying to edit this vlog.
In a bath for shit. Think you go my me, yo. I know that.
Eh, I'm sick of you. O yang umale holiday sa walu ke malulo.
Ano meio?
Lapisi.
Amay do upuan.
Ufuan may kain. Ufuan may kain ay sa may lang pensi suyay.
Mapera iya siya pa. Oh ya, asaw-saw imam ko ano yung.
Yeah, alam mo why sa way.
Siya bakurang kasi ti luma.
May suya ka may kinamawal. Everyone can see your doo-doo.
Ini ya.
Guys, we're here at this Thai bar restaurant. The fams. I left my camera in the car. We're finally home after a long day. Very long day, out and about. We've just had ice cream. Yeah, you didn't get to see it, but this is Ebenezer, and he's got a cousin. He's gonna have a baby cousin called Ebendina. And then this is Eddie, and he's gonna have a baby cousin called Eddie Dweena.
No, Eddie Wiener.
Eddie Wiener, that's worse. He's gonna have a cousin called Eddie Dweena.
Yes.
And your cousin's gonna be Ebendina.
That's fine.
That's fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Are you gonna love her?
Yeah. What is it again? Good night, FB squad. We're signing out now. Good night, FB squad.
It's not F.
How do we say it?
S.
Good night, FB squad. We're signing out now.
Oh my. Oh my God.
Hey, don't do that.
Tell me where the treasure is.